que yo vine fue a esto.
Ollie, what are you doing?
No.
Jennifer Beneficent Penelope Panini! You come here right now!
Somebody once told me the world is
Hoje eu peço consultoria. Tá, então vai.
She got all the treats.
Proszę wybaczyć, nie jestem odpowiednio ubrany. Nie szkodzi.
Jesus.
Turns one. Oh, ow.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Is he gonna deliver sweet?
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters! Augustus!
Ripley.
He's very smart. He has a lot of thoughts. He has a lot of thoughts. Look at him. He has so many.
Hey, Spacey.
Are you ugly on purpose?
You can't do this anywhere else? Max, this is where I draw the line, bud.
You're adopted.